Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly has also received a list of 27 commissioners and special advisor nominees from the executive governor of the state, Pastor UMO ENO. During today's plenary, the clerk of the assembly, Mrs. Nsikaka Basiorok, officially received and read names before the lawmakers. The announcement follows weeks of anticipation from the people of Akwa Ibom State regarding the much-awaited cabinet nominations.
In line with Section 190, subsection 2 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended, I forward the underlisted names of nominees for appointment to the office of commissioners and special advisors for confirmation by the State House of Assembly. Commissioners. Number 1, Uko Esienidom San Etina, Mr. Paul Bassi Eketi, Dr. Nsikan Linus Nkan Ibesikwa Sutan, Mr. Bob Almond Emen Ona, Captain Inyobong Edward Ekong Nsrubio, Honorable Iko Idem Ekong Ibno. I solicit your consideration and prompt action. Kindly acknowledge receipt, please. Signed, Pastor UMO ENO, Governor, Akwa Ibom State.
Subsequently, the Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Demo Otong, referred the list to the House Committee on Justice, Judiciary and Human Rights, instructing them to review the nominees and report back within 1 week.
Message number 1 borders on clearance of Commissioners nominee from His Excellency for appointments as commissioners into the State Executive Council. We cannot work on that here. I therefore refer to the House Committee, Judiciary, Justice, Human Rights, and Public Petition for further legislative actions. We will go and screen the nominee of His Excellency and report to this House within 1 week.